Good day students, this is Shania sir. Welcome to new session 2020-21. This time we are going to start our new session with live class. We are going to use Google Meet and Google Classroom in this new session. This is a guide video which help you to understand the connecting procedure with the live class and how to use Google Meet and Google Classroom. How to view classwork and homework and submit. How to attend the ST, CT and quizzes, and the instructions to follow during the live class. So now let's start with the process. Remember, to attend the live class you need a code of the class shared by your class teacher. You will be provided the code by the class teacher before your class starts. You have to write the code in your diary and needs to keep it very safely because every day you are going to use the same code for connecting to the class. So here we are. Suppose I had got the class code from my class teacher. So I have kept the code in my desktop in a text file. You can also keep in a text file in your desktop. So first of all I have to copy the code and needs to go to Google Chrome. I have to click on Google Apps and needs to go to Google Meet. So here is the option. In this window I will paste the code. After pasting the code I have to click on join and turn off your camera and microphone and click on this button ask to join. So the class teacher will get your message and you have to wait for the class teacher response. So when class teacher admit you in the class, you can see that you have joined the class and you can click this one and you can see all the students and everyone who are present here. So you need to pin to the class teacher, so whatever the classwork shown by class teacher you can see and you can do the classwork. So this way you can connect to the class and you can present there from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Remember, during the class time you can only turn on your camera. You can not unmute yourself unless teacher tells you to unmute. And if you have anything to ask you can go to chat option and there you can type, sir, to ask something. Like this you can ask your teacher if you have any question. Students can give their attendance by going to chat option and by writing their name, suppose Farhan, and present. So this way you can give your attendance, and after the end of the day when all the classes are finished, when class teacher tells you to leave the meeting, you just simply click here and end the class. So this way you can connect with the Google Meet and do your classworks. Now I will show you how you can connect with Google Classroom. For connecting to the Google Classroom you need to go to another tab and you need to go to your Gmail account. When you log into your Gmail account you can see a number of emails in your inbox from your class teacher. So you have to click all the emails and you have to join the class on the very first day. So join. So here is a message, you may be invited to join class teacher grade 10. So this is a class teacher room, so click join. So you have joined with the class teacher room. You can go to home and you can see. So you have joined with the class teacher room. Now go to your Gmail account again, go to inbox. So you have joined with one class, then there are other class also, you have to join one by one. Click on this one, is English language. Join the English language class, click on join button. And you have joined the English language class. Go to home. So you have joined with the English language class teacher, 2 rooms you have joined. Now go to your email, come to inbox, Bengali, you have to join the Bengali class, click on join, join. So you have joined the Bengali class, go to home. Now you can see you have joined the Bengali class, English language and class teacher class. Now go to your Gmail. Like this you have to join all the subjects that you have. Mathematics, join. So you join the mathematics. Let me go to home. Here you are. You join with mathematics, Bengali, English language and class teacher so far. Come to inbox. So now physics, join, join. So you join with the physics class. Now go to home. So physics, mathematics, Bengali, English language and class teacher, you have joined these classes. Now go to your inbox, join the chemistry class. You join the chemistry class, go to home. So here you are, you join with the chemistry class. Now computer science, join, join. You join the computer science class, go to inbox, biology class, join. So you join with the biology class, go to home. Here is your biology class, go to your inbox. So these are the subjects that you have, and you have joined all the subjects. So this is the very first day that you have to join all the classroom, all the subject room, and after that you can receive all your classwork, homework in different rooms. So from here you can log into your classroom also. For login to, go to Google Apps and turn it down, and here you have classroom. You just click the classroom, and from your Google Apps you can log into your Google Classroom. So these are the classes that you have. So for the particular subject, the subject teacher will give you the works and you have to do the works. So suppose for the computer science, just come, you can click here and you can get into the class. So all the works you can see in stream, all the teacher, what are the works teacher uploads, the upload works will be available here. And you can also write your queries and you can submit your work here. So classwork, the classwork page here, the class teacher will give you classwork, homeworks, and other works here, and you can come here and you can see whatever the work has been assigned for you. And in the people area you can see the teachers who are available for this subject. So like this you can check your work, and you can go to your home by clicking here, and you can check other subjects also. So in Google Classroom you can see the classwork, homeworks, and you can submit your classworks, homeworks, and you can do the class test and surprise test. And you can see the common information in class teacher room. So this is the way you can work with Google Classroom. So when you are done with the Google working with the Google Classroom, you just simply close the classroom. And when any new work is assigned, you must get an email for the assigned work. Uh, so this is the way you can work with the Google Classroom, and you can work with the live class. Now finally I will show you the instructions that you have to follow during the live class. General instruction to the students for online class. So as online class is different from regular class, students should pay more attention to the class. Online class will be started just at 10 am, so students are advised to give their attendance from 9:50 to 10 am by writing their names and present in the chat box. Everybody must keep their video on and microphone mute. If anyone makes delay to join the class without any valid reason within 10 minutes of starting the class, he or she will be considered absent for that day. In that case, parents will make a phone call to class teacher or coordinator mentioning his by her reason for making delay. Make sure that there is a complete silence while the online class is going on. Eye contact of the student with the teacher is necessary. Student must not interrupt the class by asking question at the time of lecture. They can ask question at the end of the lecture or when teacher will permit. If teacher asks question to the student by name, she will unmute and answer. Interaction with the teachers must be in English and formal. No food is allowed during the classes. Student can keep water bottle with them. WhatsApp group will also be created to easily contact to the students or to provide any notice. No chat will be allowed among the students. Students can submit their homework, classwork, class test and surprise test by sending mail or sending photo of that work in teacher's personal WhatsApp number with a specific time given by the lectures. Late submission will not be accepted. Students will use their school diaries to copy homework given by subject teachers. So best of luck. This is the way you can do your live class and submit your classwork and homeworks and attend the surprise test and classes. So thank you very much students, and goodbye.